Hey guys, in the last video I did when I talked about accessories for my Mini DJI Mini 2, I mentioned that I was going to show you how to mount your mic onto your grip. We all have grips, and I came up with a mounting system that you might have all these bits and pieces in your kit. If you don't, they're not very expensive to buy. So, and later on I'm going to talk about the benefits of having the mic mounted like this so that you can take it off easily and get the mic away from the camera and closer to your mouth or your subject. So let's get into it. Let's build this little mount. It's pretty simple. You might have all of these bits and pieces, or you might have a few. For sure, most of us are going to have the handlebar clamp. And then the sort of the odd piece in this scenario is this piece here that you put into your handlebar clamp, and this is kind of an odd bit. You might not have this. A quick search online, you'll find it. Look for GoPro mount with 1/4-inch male thread, and you should be able to find it pretty quick. And it's going to cost you about $10 or. And the next bit is a mic mount, a mic holder with the hot shoe and the 1/4-inch hole in it. So you just put that on there, real easy, and then mount that onto your grip. And there you go. Now you can mount your mic a little bit away from the camera, your GoPro or your Insta360, which I like, and I'm going to talk more about this in a second. And you also don't have to buy the extra cage with the hot shoe mount, which I just think is such a racket that they don't give you that on the cage that comes with the camera that should have a hot shoe mount on there. Okay, so here's the rig, and what I really like about this, especially in this configuration when I'm on a tripod, if I'm doing a stand-up, like a vlog or whatever, if I'm doing something like that, now I can easily, with my extension cable, I can take the mic off the clip and get back from the camera and get the mic right up to my mouth. And that's what's key to good audio, is you want to get the mic close to your mouth. If you're just vlogging and you're going to put the mic on a hot shoe on top of the camera, on top of the Insta360 anyway, and you're just vlogging, holding the camera out in front of you and doing your thing, it's not really worth it to buy one of these mics. You don't really get any benefit from it. The built-in mic on the 360 in that kind of a scenario gives you just about the same quality audio. Check it out online. Check out the video I've done with the Rode mic, and you know, I do some demos with the extension cable where I'm just using the camera mic and this mic, you know, like 4 or 5 feet away from the camera and getting the mic close to my mouth. Check that video out. I've been making broadcast television since 1980, working professional gear, and trust me, audio is a really important element. And people like to think they can fix bad audio in the edit suite with EQs and filters. You can do a little bit. You can do a little bit of improvement for a lot of wind noise, let's say. You can make it a little bit better. Whatever you take away to make the wind not so noticeable, you're taking away from the subject and you're changing their voice. Good audio in is the best policy, and learn how to do that. And I think I really like this setup. I really like this. And what I like about it is it doesn't take much room, and I'll be traveling soon. I think that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out my series Professional Video Production on a shoestring budget. I've got all kinds of tips and tricks, as well as I review my gear. I just bought the Insta360 last year. I've got lots of videos on that, on a review of it and how to use it and how to shoot with it. I just bought a DJI Mini 2. And I've got a video up there on that, just on how to use it out of the box and how to get going with it, how to get flying, as well as some other tips. And I did a video on some accessories and some hand catching tips. And I've actually come up with a really great idea for hand catching that DJI Mini 2. But I have to wait for my mounting strap before I can show you that. So thanks for watching, and cheers.